Blairsville, hello. Okay, this is number 3 of our businesses today on our ribbon cutting crawl open house up here at the Community Center, Chamber of Commerce. I'm Sarah, and I'm here joined by William and Sarah. And these guys have another need in our community, which I'm so thrilled. I love these new businesses. People are seeing the open niche and filling it well. So you guys are dealing with docks. Your business name is Shores and Moor. I don't know if you can see this little water bottle and koozie, but Shores and Moor, and it's the local lake solution. Tell us about what you guys do.
We do new construction, aluminum and steel, and repairs and or maintenance to existing structures. This fall we're looking to get into shoreline erosion control and stabilization.
So this is docks, basically. Anything
Yes,
that you need on the lake, if you're looking for, would you add, a gazebo, or would you add those types of things that maybe are going to be surrounding the dock or at the foot of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, earlier you said, if I can dream it,
We can build it.
and I love that because I can dream very big. Ask my husband. He's constantly dealing with my dreams. But you guys, you have a background in welding.
I do.
So you were telling me you're not going to just do like a prefab. If somebody wants something that's steel construction, you're going to do it yourself.
Absolutely.
So tell us a little bit about that, what you do.
They're steel bar joist, dock frames. They're rigid. They're going to require maintenance. There's also an aluminum option available. Those will come pre-manufactured by a company named ML Docks. They're out of Alabama.
Okay.
I'm the authorized dealer in the area for that company.
Okay.
So if it is aluminum, it will come pre-manufactured, and we'll assemble it and install it at the customer's location.
Okay, which is perfect. A lot of lake building right now. A lot of people that have bought places on the lake and they're struggling. People call us a lot saying, who do I get to fix my dock? Who do I get to put one in? Can you fix existing? You said you can work with existing structures, so you can do some
Absolutely.
renovating of an existing.
Right. If anything is from just in need of maintenance, or if it's in need of an absolute repair, anything in between can be done.
And you'll come out to somebody's house, you'll look and assess what their needs are, and you can also advise them on shoreline and erosion control. A lot of people don't realize you can lose up to a foot of shoreline very quickly.
And you can't get it back.
Right.
It's not like you can go dig in the lake and try to get it back.
Yes.
So we try to preserve people's property. You've paid for it, so might as well keep as much of it as you can.
Right. So you will go out, and if somebody's really not sure, like, do I even need anything, you can help them to determine what they need and the most affordable and ideal solution for what their needs are.
Absolutely.
As far as that goes.
You got it.
Okay, so price point, and I know docks are as varied as anything, but what would be like maybe the lowest end that somebody could get, just a small something that their kids could jump off of and go into the water, versus the high end where it's like, this is our dream home and it's going to be featured on TV. What's our spectrum?
The high end, like you said before, if you can dream it, we can build it. The high end would obviously be considerable. The low end, we just did a quote for a swim platform, and it was less than $15,000.
So that's awesome. So it's an option to consider. If somebody's building, they want to maybe even think about that when they're building and factor that into the whole construction concept, right?
Absolutely. The TVA requires people to be permitted, so that you kind of tell them what you would like on the lake, and then from there kind of determines what you can do as far as what's allowable.
Right.
So that's kind of the first step. So if it is a new construction property, then that's a good idea to go ahead and get with the TVA as soon as you can, so that you can get the proper permits.
Right, yeah.
Just to kind of streamline everything.
And something, William, you mentioned about the TVA, it's something that people may not realize. You can't really just go out there and change the footprint in the water legally. And if you do that without permission, then you may end up losing what you did. They need to go through the proper channels, correct?
Absolutely. It's definitely highly recommended to go through the proper channels to get the permitting that's required, so that you can be legal out there on the lake, so you can enjoy it without them letting you know that you're doing something wrong.
A lot of people want to know about licensing, bonding, all that kind of stuff. Where do you guys land with all of that? When they hire you, can they be confident that they're hiring someone who has all the proper credentials?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We are licensed in Blairsville, and we also carry insurance. We offer a certificate of insurance for anybody that requests one prior to starting the job.
Okay, that's huge and important, especially when you're dealing with lakefront property. You want to get it done right. So this is a wonderful option. I'm happy because we needed it in our community. There's a need, and so you guys are going to fill that need. Sarah, we didn't talk to you too much, but I have to tell you, Blairsville, new mama alert. They just had a baby girl. Tell us her name.
Her name is Olivia. She's 12 weeks old, actually, just last Tuesday.
Okay, I love that. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
To both of you on that.
Thank you.
Blairsville, here's what we need you to do. We want to welcome these people to the chamber. We want to get the word out. So share this on your Facebook page. We're going to enter you into a draw. For every live video that you share, just comment that you shared it. We'll enter you into our draw. It's a September draw, and you're going to love the prize that we have. We haven't given it out yet, so you're going to love that. And show Sarah and William some love. Let's make sure that this video goes around so everybody in the community knows about this option. Welcome to the chamber, you guys, and again, congratulations on Olivia.
Thank you so much for having us.
You're welcome.